everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be using the Violet Ink palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. No, I did not break my no-buy. I actually pre-ordered this back on Black Friday, and then I kind of forgot about it because it's been 2 months. And then I got my tracking notification, was like, oh yeah, I ordered that. So pretty happy I did, actually. This was a palette that when it launched, I found out about it by doing a Will I Buy It. So, I mean, many, many months ago. I don't even know when it launched. This isn't a new release or anything. But I saw it on Trend Mood and I was like, oh, I actually want that. I would be interested in that. I got done filming, I got on their website, and it had already launched and sold out and all that. So I missed it. Fast forward to just seeing random ads on Instagram during Black Friday. Saw that this beauty was back in stock and was like, I wanted that palette back then, I want it now. And now it's mine. Look at how beautiful the packaging is. I love the octopus. Menagerie is a brand I've never used before, and they've been on my radar for a while. This palette just really set me over the edge though. Look at that. If you guys have been here for any amount of time, you know purple eyeshadow is my favorite, which, hello, Violet Ink, beautiful, beautiful. Honestly, like my preferred variation for a 6-pan, you've got 4 mattes, 2 shimmers, perfect. I prefer more mattes anyway. And yeah, the shade names are really cute. I'm excited to put this on my eyes. It retails for $19.99, and I don't remember what I paid for it. Sorry, I'm no help, but let's go. I'm gonna start out with the shade Jellyfish. I like that this palette has a mirror too. Oh, you know what? Oh my God, look at that pigment. Wow. So before I get too far into this, actually, I'm gonna take one of these e.l.f., like, I don't know what to call them. I haven't used one in so long, but I kind of want like a snatched line look, and these are perfect for helping to create that, and then I don't have to go in and like clean it afterward. I can just cheat and put a sticker on, so hold please. There we go. This is so pretty. Dang. I've been sleeping on indie brands way too long. Obviously, they are indie AF. I don't know, I could be totally wrong. I think they only sell on their website at menageriecosmetics.com. Again, I could be totally wrong, but I haven't seen them anywhere. I know they're not like Ulta. I haven't seen them on Beauty Bay or Beautylish. I don't know. Feels kind of good to support an indie brand though, instead of like a big box store such as Sephora. Damn, this is beautiful. So far, the shade's blending really nicely. Now, most brands always say that purples are the hardest shadows to formulate. I don't know how true that is. I'm not a chemist. I'm not a makeup creator. But especially like deep purples, deep matte purples, not shimmers. They always say like purples, deep matte purples are the hardest shades to create. So I guess we'll find out. There's 2 deeper purples in this palette. I don't know if I'll need both of them, but it'd be kind of fun to see if I could challenge myself and use all 6 shades during this actual look. We'll see. All right, next let's go in with Iron Grip. All right, they're playing really nicely together. That's good. Since this is a pressed pigment shadow, well, one, it's like deep purples. I guess you kind of have to do a pressed pigment because, again, they're so hard to make, blah, 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 blah. But pressed pigments sometimes don't always blend into each other the easiest, so I'm glad that this is going smoothly. With pressed pigments, they oftentimes say that you need to use more of a packing motion than a blending motion, but I just can't get myself to do that. I'm so used to just blend, 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 blend that I can't just sit here and, you know, it doesn't do it for me. And I can't prove it because I haven't washed it off yet, but since it's also a pressed pigment palette, I just have a feeling the way these are looking that they're gonna stain, which isn't a big deal to me at all. I don't care. It looks like they are, which is fine. All right, let's try some octopi. I'm just gonna try all the mattes, even if they disappear into each other. This one looks a little more blue. You know what? It's a little more blue-ish than what I want. I'm gonna go with Inkjet. I'm just gonna leave it on the outer corner. A lot of times I'll end up bringing it all the way in, but I don't want to. Thanks to my hooded eyes, I lost a lot of this Jellyfish shade, so I'm gonna go back in with it. I really like this shade. It's like giving me, was it the Met Gala? Lily Collins at the Met Gala? It's a little deeper than that, but oof, such a pretty purple. I'm just like going and blending the edges out with it again, bringing it a little higher up. And again, because of where my eyes are hooded, I have all my extra space up here, which is so frustrating when I really want it on my lid. But can't change my eyeballs, it is what it is. Take that original fluffy brush. Mostly just want to blend out the edge with it. Edge, whatever, outer corner. I was gonna carve some of my crease out. I don't think I want to do that now though. I think I want to be same old Michelle and pat it in with my finger because I want to see how these shimmers perform without laying a base down for them to stick to first. If they're needing work, I'll put it down, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to trust it. I'm gonna go with Mimic. Feels a little chunky, but very pretty. Oh shit. Obviously the chunk goes away. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, that's pretty. I bet it would pop even more with a white base down, but it didn't need it. It's fine, it's beautiful. Actually, I'm gonna peel these off. Now I'm gonna take 3 hearts and mesh them in together. All right, I'm liking how this is looking. I'm gonna go clean up the fallout and then put my face on, and I'll be right back to finish the eyes. All right, I'm back. Let's finish these eyes. I'm gonna take this LA Girl Shockwave liner. This is the shade Vivid. It's just the purple one. I'm just putting it in my waterline. And then I'm taking this JCat Rockin' Glitz in Purple Crystal. It's just a purple liquid liner, and I'm just gonna pop it on my lash line. Lower lash line, I'm gonna take Octopi. Now I'm gonna take Jellyfish. And I'm just gonna blend them together. All right, let me add some mascara real quick. And now I'm just popping on some inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight. All right, everyone, here is the finished look. What do we think? I mean, I feel like I'm wearing a lot of makeup right now, but I love it. This is such a gorgeous purple palette, my goodness. Oh, it's vegan and cruelty free. Definitely gonna stain my eyes then. That's fine. This first lid shade, Mimic, oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. I mean, the mattes were really pretty too. Everything worked great. I mean, if you like purple, highly recommend. It's not for everyone, but for those of us with green eyes, purple's supposed to make your eyes pop, so. Are they popping? Let me know. Have you guys tried anything from Menagerie? If so, let me know what in the comments. I kind of have my eyes on the Feral palette. Obviously not anytime soon, but maybe in the future. I don't know, but I'm very impressed so far. If their eyeshadow quality is the same across the board, very, very nice. Very satisfied. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.